Mission tasked with reviewing the UM system is suggesting more transparency. Thanks for joining us. I'm Joey Parker.
And I'm Marissa Holloway. ABC 17's Sarah Massler-Donar dug through the report by the University of Missouri System Review Commission. She joins us now live outside of the system's office.
Sarah, this commission started meeting in July.
It did, Joey and Marissa. And yes, as you said, I am at the system office. This is where the Board of Curators meets when they are on the Mizzou campus, and they're going to be responsible for putting these recommendations into place if they decide to follow through with them. Now, Governor Jay Nixon actually cut the funding for this commission back before they started meeting, nearly $750,000, but the commission agreed to still go on with meetings, talk to each school's staff and legislators. Shortly after last year's unrest and protests on the University of Missouri campus, a commission was established to audit the entire system and recommend ways to improve it. Its work now is finished, and the recommendations are broken down into 4 categories: governance and accountability, program analytics like data, diversity and freedom of speech, and research. Within those categories, a theme emerged, with the commission calling for greater transparency and accountability of the system's practices, including recommendations to make available a public scorecard of sorts for each campus to track progress toward its goals. One recommendation calls out state legislators, suggesting they review Senate Bill 389, which puts, quote, unnecessary and burdensome tuition controls in place across all of the 4-year public institutions. The commission also recommends tuition vary based on degree programs. Another concern of the committee was a lack of clear data across the board, especially related to diversity. The report says the frustration of this committee has been that the data related to issues of diversity has not been accessible in one concise report. In the report, the commission urged the system to perform regular reviews to identify areas of improvement. The commission recommended that the system have a set of accountability measures in place by early 2018. Reporting live in Columbia, Sarah Massler-Donar, ABC 17 News.